Hi, my name is Riley. This is my surf research. My research was focused on cybersecurity and the EDURange project. The EDURange project is a collection of cybersecurity exercises and is actually a framework for creating them. Our goal was creating hint tools for EDURange. So the two hint tools that we created and designed were a milestone tracker and a chat feature. So the milestone tracker is pretty much how we track student progress during cybersecurity assignments. Is a great way of tracking student progress and allows the teacher to kind of decide or know who is struggling or if there's like a lack of understanding during cybersecurity assignments. And then the chat feature is a way for students and instructors and also students in the student group to communicate with one another in case there is a lack of understanding or they do not know how to solve a problem. The instructor or other students can kind of guide a struggling student to the correct goal and better understanding of the subject. So for the milestones, we integrated a method of measuring edit distance. We tracked all the correct input for the cybersecurity questions, and it compares the student's input to what the correct input is. So we'll know if a student is really close to an answer and having the correct input, or having being completely off. And and then for the chat feature, I mainly worked with the chat feature, transferring HTML pages into React. The thing about HTML, which is what the project was previously built on, is that it is loaded once and then it never gets loaded again. So for a chat feature, that doesn't make sense because if you get some chat or you get a message, you'd have to reload the page to be able to see it. So the thing with React, and React is a JavaScript library, so React allows you to separate a page into multiple components and update them separately from one another. So a lot of the work I did was transferring those pages, the HTML pages, into React components and making sure everything worked. And the EDURange project will be used at Lewis and Clark State College. Lewis and Clark College during this next semester. So we'll be able to get some user testing, understand if our hint tool is working correctly or not, and where adjustments need to be made. I gained a lot of skills in working on this project, specifically around learning new programming languages and website design. I learned how to use GitHub effectively and I learned how to use GitHub effectively and how to change a project and how to do it right without destroying the entire project. And my acknowledgements are for Richard Weiss, who is my faculty sponsor, and Emma O'Leary, who was my surf mentor. She was the past year's She was the past year's surf receiver, and she was able to give me a lot of tips and kind of guide me to doing my surf project.